Welcome. I'm Henning, and today I'm here with my colleagues Ilka and Max, and we want to talk about sustainable IT. And to start right away, Max, can you tell us why sustainability is such an important topic these days?
Yeah, as we probably all know, the transformation towards becoming a sustainable organization might be one of the most important developments that we can observe in the markets today. And while there are certain areas or topics that are already being heavily focused on, such as sustainable operations and supply chains or the general awareness of employees, IT, surprisingly, has been mainly overlooked so far, despite its key role in the digital transformation. And this is what we want to address, exactly this gap with our sustainable IT offering.
Interesting, but why do you think should IT play such an important role, or has an important role, a right to play in that area?
Because one reason is that IT is responsible for about 4% of global greenhouse gas emissions. And with the ongoing digital transformation, this is likely to only increase over the next few years. So that's why we have to focus on sustainable IT. And to put the number into perspective, the aviation industry is responsible for 2.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Surprisingly, research at Capgemini shows that among most of the organizations, there's a lack of awareness about the potential impact that IT can have on the environment, on their sustainability journey, because of this high share of emissions that IT has. We also found out that only very few organizations have a designated sustainable IT strategy. And to address these two major concerns, the lack of awareness and the lack of designated sustainable IT strategies is one of the major goals of our offering.
And as Capgemini are also a huge corporation, Ilka, so how important is sustainability and sustainable IT for us, and how can we help our clients with it?
So sustainability is a top priority on Capgemini Group's agenda. We aim at becoming carbon neutral by 2025 and net zero by 2030, and sustainable IT will play a crucial role in the process. For our clients, we have designed a comprehensive end-to-end framework covering the entire transformation towards a more sustainable IT, starting with defining a strategy and setting sustainability goals for IT, conducting a baseline assessment for identifying the carbon footprint of organizations' IT, identifying levers for reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions, and also creating a culture of awareness and commitment among employees. What's important for us is to not only see IT as a problem causing emissions, but also to see the potential IT has for being a solution in designing more sustainable business activities.
Cool, so we are driving sustainability in IT and through IT, but what are the specific tangible benefits our customers can get when they work with us?
Generally, we aim at reducing the overall environmental impact IT has. But besides that, there are also operational efficiency gains that can be achieved by implementing sustainable IT. By reducing energy consumption and creating leaner operations, there are significant financial benefits to be achieved. Besides that, we respond with sustainable IT to market and employee expectations, as sustainability at large is a very important topic for both of them.
Oh, exactly. That maps to what we see with our customers and our projects, that in being good in operational excellence, but not having a sustainable IT strategy, so improving efficiency, but in a sustainable way, I would say. And on the other hand, we have a huge amount of projects where we see that bringing in new technologies into new processes, optimizing processes, implementing new ways of work through IT has a huge impact of being better in business, plus being more sustainable. And I think that is the benefit you can get out of, let's say, sustainable IT offerings and approaches. So that's a very fruitful joint between efficiency and operational excellence. To summarize this topic, I think we have heard that sustainability is on everybody's agenda. It's a business imperative for each and every company. And we have heard that sustainability in IT or through IT has not been touched so far by the companies. So bringing that forward and moving to the next level on that area is what we want to do with you, with our clients, to get in touch, talk about sustainability, but also implement measures, roadmap to gain success, be more successful, and be more sustainable in IT. So for today, I would like to thank you. Hope to hear from you soon, and see you next time. Bye.